Udah selfie. Barokan. Hello everyone, it's me Sana and I have just taken a bath. It's pretty cool. As you can see, I wore this sweater and yeah, so today is my graduation day and it's already 7. You can see my watch. It's already 7. Guys, I'm gonna be wearing a black dress which Kokong gave me, and yeah, so let's get ready.
Complete the mission.
So I'm almost ready. You can see I chose silver jewelry. Okay, silver. Everything is silver. I did my eyelashes. You can see my dress. I only have to wear my heels, and my heel is also black. And I'm feeling cold.
A few inches later.
And here, guys, I'm ready to go. I'm all done. Using my shoes. Yes. So see you when I reach school. Bye bye. I'm here, guys. There are people. They already wore the thing. Hello, guys. Hello. This is our Dr. Pala. See our outfits. Oh, we wore pointed heels. Mayangan. Eh, Mela.
Are you up to? What are you doing at that time? Okay?
To witness such an important occasion is a proud milestone in the life of our students who have journeyed through years of learning, discipline, friendship, and personal.
Thank you for always pushing us. As 10th grade teachers, they have taken the enormous responsibility.
Barokan. Merida. From Miss Treat staff room. Hi everyone. Hello. Hi Merida. Hi Kong Marbanyang. Program, we're gonna go out. This is the most expensive one and has blanket. You can blanket. We're here in Fire Brigade.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're here. Say hi. Hi.
Why are you gay?
Hi. Iwi po. Sama lagi. Diet mau nè. Diet mau. Tidak sih gini iwi ruhi kaju. We have popcorn, French fries, we have ramen. Happy meal.
Ningi lak kedang ham.
Lak kedang to babambet kan.
Oo.
Mam suki. Sampai iwas na reels man. Fake niya?
Ala ko adik naman niya asuan.
Kumanti bet.
One, two, three.
So guys, nilaya dabang. Full of memories. Baur Mela. Layahun, layo durma.
Hot. Also, Layo and spend time together. Wow. I'm gonna miss you all.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna be going home, and I bought book for my sister. Magazine. We got magazine. Oh yeah, we got magazine. That was it for today. Stay tuned for the other one. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, Dr. Pala. Comments. You want me to be a doctor? You comment, Dr. Palama. Yay! Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Signing off. Like this. Hey, bye, guys. Oh bye. Oh bye. You issue it. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.